On April 19, 1943, a Swiss chemist rode his bicycle home from the lab. Within minutes, he could barely steer. Colors bled into shapes. Walls breathed. He had just become the first person in history to take LSD on purpose, and nobody planned it. Albert Hofmann had first made the compound 5 years earlier, in 1938, while researching fungus extracts at Sandoz Laboratories in Basel. He set it aside. Nothing useful, but something nagged him. In 1943, he re-synthesized it. During the process, a tiny amount absorbed through his fingertips. That evening, strange visions appeared. 3 days later, Hofmann deliberately swallowed 250 micrograms, a dose he thought was small. It was enormous. He asked his lab assistant to escort him home by bicycle. The ride became the most famous bike trip in pharmacology. He was terrified. His neighbor's face morphed into a demon. By the next morning, he felt fine. Hofmann wrote detailed notes on every sensation. His report launched decades of psychiatric research. Today, April 19th, is still called Bicycle Day. One accidental drop on a chemist's hand changed neuroscience forever.